Hello and welcome to Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple card like this without using any stamp sets whatsoever. Sometimes it can be a bit of a challenge if you're not finding a stamp set that coordinates with what you want to do. So most of this is just done with paper and a punch. So I'm going to be using this balloon punch. So what I'm going to start with is a piece of my base is just some basic white, and then my matting is black, basic black, and then I used a piece of the Ombre, which goes from dark to light or light to dark, and then I've just got some more white and black that I will put in there, and I'll give you all the measurements. They'll appear there in the video. I can't remember them off the top of my head. So all I'm going to do is matte all of these. So you can see the Ombre comes with two different colors. Oops, I just put a new tape in here. There we go. So we'll just matte that. I find sometimes using the black as a matting makes it really stand out, especially when you got these rich turquoisey colors. And then I'll do the same with the white. And then I'll just center this. A very quick card. I actually had designed this one for a teen class that I did. Just like so. And now I will mount this on my card base. Sometimes when you get some people that are new to stamping or new to card making, they don't have a lot of supplies. And they can get intimidated by some really fancy looking cards. So by keeping it somewhat simple, you encourage some new stampers to give it a try. Okay, just like so. Then I punched out with the punch just 3 balloons here. So I did one in Poppy Parade, in Granny Apple Green, and some Daffodil Delight. Now before I put them on, all I did was take some Wink Stella, because I just wanted to give it a bit of a shimmer, and I just painted a little bit of Wink Stella on there. Okay, it'll appear a little bit white when you first start out, but that will dry. So I'm just putting it on just to give my balloons some sparkle. This Wink Stella is getting close to being out, but I've been using this one for so long. There we go. So now I will mount these on my card. What I like doing with the classes is seeing all the variations my students make, even the kids. I'll give them an idea of something to do, and then they just go with it. So with the red balloon, I'm just going to use a couple dimensionals because I wanted my red balloon to pop up a little bit, be a bit raised. So I'll stick that on like so. And then I just took my basic black marker, and I'll just use the end, and I'm just going to draw in the strings, just like so. And that's all it is. Okay, just to make a nice simple card, which doesn't require much supplies. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with Paper Crafting with Tracy, and please subscribe to my channel, and happy stamping.